Hello and welcome to today's listening practice. The psychology of money, how our minds shape our financial lives. Money is a part of everyone's life. No matter our age, job, or background, we all think about money in some way. We earn it, spend it, save it, and worry about it. But money is not only about numbers, banks, or bills. It is also about how we think and feel. This is what the psychology of money means. It is the study of how human thoughts, emotions, habits, and experiences influence the way we use money. From a young age, people learn ideas about money from their family and environment. Some grow up in homes where money is always discussed with care. Others grow up in homes where money causes stress and fear. These early experiences stay in the mind for a long time. They quietly guide decisions later in life. Two people can earn the same amount of money but feel about it very differently. One may feel calm and secure, while the other feels anxious and never satisfied. The difference often comes from mindset, not income. One important idea in the psychology of money is that emotions play a strong role. People often believe they make logical decisions about money, but feelings like fear, pride, excitement, and hope influence choices more than facts. When people are afraid, they may save too much and avoid opportunities. When people feel excited, they may spend without thinking. When people want approval, they may buy things to impress others. These decisions are not always wrong, but they show that money is closely connected to emotions. Another key idea is the difference between needs and wants. Needs are things required for a safe and healthy life, such as food, shelter, and basic education. Wants are things that make life more comfortable or enjoyable. Problems often begin when people confuse wants with needs. When this happens, spending increases, stress grows, and saving becomes difficult. Understanding this difference helps people make calmer and wiser choices. The psychology of money also teaches the importance of patience. Many people want fast results. They want quick success, quick wealth, and quick rewards. But money usually grows slowly. Saving a small amount regularly may not feel exciting, but over time it creates stability. People who understand this are often more peaceful. They do not chase every opportunity. They focus on steady progress and long-term thinking. Comparison is another powerful force in human behavior. People often compare their lives with others. They look at friends, neighbors, or people on social media and feel behind. This comparison can create pressure to spend more and save less. It can also lead to unhappiness, even when a person is doing well. The psychology of money reminds us that every life is different. Everyone has a unique path, background, and goal. Comparing journeys is rarely fair or helpful. Risk is also part of the money story. Every decision has some level of uncertainty. Some people avoid risk completely because they fear loss. Others take too much risk because they dream of big rewards. Both extremes can cause problems. A healthy mindset understands that risk is normal but should be managed with care. Being careful does not mean being weak. It means respecting uncertainty and protecting the future. Luck and timing also influence financial outcomes. Many successful people worked hard, but they were also in the right place at the right time. Many hard-working people face challenges they cannot control. The psychology of money encourages humility. It reminds people not to judge others too quickly and not to judge themselves too harshly. Understanding the role of luck helps people stay kind, balanced, and realistic. Work and income are deeply connected to identity. Many people believe their value depends on how much they earn. This belief can cause stress and burnout. Money is important, but it is not the only measure of success. A stable income, meaningful work, and personal well-being often matter more than high income alone. People who understand this are more likely to make healthy career choices. Another important lesson is the value of consistency. Big changes are rare, but small actions repeated over time create strong results. Saving a little every month, learning new skills, and controlling unnecessary spending may seem simple. Yet these habits shape the future. The psychology of money shows that behavior matters more than intelligence. People do not need to be experts. They need discipline and awareness. Money also affects mental health. Constant worry about money can cause anxiety and fear. Too much focus on wealth can reduce joy and peace. A balanced mindset treats money as a tool, not a goal. Money should support life, not control it. When people use money to create safety, freedom, and time, they often feel more satisfied. Gratitude plays a quiet but powerful role. When people appreciate what they already have, they feel less pressure to spend and compare. Gratitude does not mean avoiding goals. It means enjoying progress without constant dissatisfaction. This mindset leads to healthier financial behavior and a calmer life. The psychology of money is not about being rich. It is about understanding human behavior. It teaches people to think long-term, manage emotions, and respect uncertainty. These lessons are useful at every age. Young people learn to build good habits early. Adults learn to balance responsibility and enjoyment. Older people learn to reflect and find peace with their choices. In the end, money is a human story. It reflects fears, hopes, mistakes, and dreams.